Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies from scratch. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, get 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. In a larger bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Almost there, gently fold in your 12 ounces of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart. Bake these delicious treats for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Your homemade chocolate chip cookies are now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, allow them to cool completely. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them fresh. These delicious cookies are perfect for sharing with friends and family, or simply enjoying by yourself with a glass of milk. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.